Today I show you an LCD writing tablet from Lidl Tronic, paperless notes, drawing and writing. This is for just simple notes, nothing fancy. It's slim with the screen lock, okay. 2 magnets, okay, so you can position it. Paperless notes, drawing and writing, slim, lightweight design. Erase all display contents at the push of a button with screen lock to avoid losing notes or drawings. Practical kickstand facilitates comfortable. The practical kickstand. The kickstand is useful to hold it. 2 magnets on the back for attaching to metal surfaces. It needs a CR2025 battery. It's included. Yeah, let's see how it looks like. So there are seals on the front, top and bottom, and I will use my Victorinox Farmer X to open it. Let's see. Okay. LCD. Interesting. There is some bug there. I think I just took it out of the bag by accident somehow. So there is some information. Keep out of reach of children. This looks like it's made for children, so it doesn't really make sense. Really? Okay. Warnings. Do not charge. It's not for charging, you don't charge this. Okay. And insert correctly. Okay. Perfect. Let's see now. LCD writing tablet. That's the information for it. It has 8 pages, so let's go through it quickly. Technical data. Some technical data here. Warnings after warnings. Disposal information. And okay, that's English. That's it so far for this thing. And this is the actual tablet. Oh, this is the LCD. It's very thin. Wow. So you have some markings here. It needs a CR2025. It's 3 volts. And it has the magnets for attaching it to a fridge, for example. Oh, that's interesting for a fridge. And yeah, it's just when you write with it with a hard surface, it will change the color. So if you use it, has this built-in pen, which I hope it comes out. Oh, it's like that. Okay. So you put it and you close it, and then you can say on how to could write like this. And if you want to delete it, not sure how you delete it. I think, yeah, the battery needs to be connected first. So it's locked now. Battery is inserted. Is it? Okay, let's try. I will try to unlock it. So now it's unlocked, and I press the button. Oh, it's gone. It's doing a flash and it's gone. Flash and gone. Interesting. Okay, so there is this lock at the back. It holds on to metallic surfaces because it has the magnets. So and resets. I guess it's useful for taking notes somewhere, like on the fridge, like to write a shopping list, for example. And now it resets. And if I set the protection to on, it will protect it. So now when I write, if I press the reset, it's not gonna remove it. So I could even write with my fingernail or with the finger, like that. It's very cheap, so it's a fun toy. It's an interesting toy. It's really cheap. Something like a fridge notes or a quick notes where you want to write something quickly. Thanks for watching.